Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you about a deodorant that I recently purchased. It's called Schmidt's Lavender and Sage. They also have other fragrances and other types that they make. This is an award-winning natural formula. Most important, it has no aluminum, no propylene, glycol, and no artificial fragrance. So everything in here is 100% natural. I think it's a cool label. I like that it's purple, like lavender, like what it smells like. I think that's kind of nice. It's 2.65 ounces. Natural deodorant, neutralizes odor and absorbs wetness. I actually was looking for a natural deodorant because I read of like the harms that deodorants with aluminum could do and how I read somewhere that they're supposedly linked to cancer and other problems if you're using them every single day. They can seep into your skin and just do damage, and that scared me a little bit, so I thought of trying something natural. This natural formula helps neutralize odor and absorb wetness, free of aluminum, propylene, glycol, parabens, phthalates, and it's gluten-free. The ingredients all natural. Arrowroot, baking soda, coconut oil, which I love, shea butter, fractionated coconut oil, candelia wax, jojoba seed oil, lavender, clary sage, essential oil, vitamin E, sunflower derived. Directions: hold product momentarily to skin to soften on contact with body heat. Gently apply a small amount to underarms. For external use only, obviously. Skin sensitivities may occur. Do not apply directly after shaving. Oops, I've done that before. Don't do that, guys. Do not over apply or use on broken skin. Discontinue use if rash or irritation develops. Keep out of reach of children. This label right here means it's vegan and not tested on animals. Definitely a plus for me, and hopefully for you guys too. So let's open it up. I just wanted to point out on here something else. That when you use this, you know how like you use a deodorant and it automatically dries and it keeps you dry? This doesn't really do that. So if you're sweating, it actually still feels wet, which is like takes a little bit to get used to, because then it makes me feel like, oh, I forgot to put the deodorant on. But it does smell really good. I like that it smells like lavender. It's very calming and relaxing. I definitely use this at night. I think that the scent helps to just calm you, relax you, and make you a little sleepy. I love the scent. So good. And then this is what it looks like. It does rub off on your clothes, like if you wear black and then you put this, if you put this on and then you put black on, it will rub off on your clothes. It doesn't stain or anything like that, but like I've noticed that it does rub off, and I've had to wipe it off so that it doesn't show. I think it just takes some getting used to. It's not like a regular deodorant where I usually use like Secret or something like that, where it just keeps you dry the whole time. It doesn't do that, but it's better for you, and it does do its job as far as like neutralizing odor and stuff like that. Overall, really good product. Just like I said, take some getting used to using this instead of the other deodorant. I don't find that I sweat that much either, so like maybe for me I could get used to it pretty quickly. For someone else it might be a little bit of a harder adjustment, but it does glide on really easily. Just like wipe a little on my finger, you guys could see. It's like kind of whitish. It feels oily. I guess that's from the coconut oil probably. And then you rub together, it feels like a little bit grainy. But it does have like a really calming smell, and it does feel nice. It's like not dry or whatever, and definitely doesn't irritate your underarms. So that's another thing that's good about it. And then of course, if you don't like lavender or that smell, you could try one of the other scents that they offer. You could find those online. I'm not really sure about stores, but I ordered this online, so you guys should be able to find it pretty easily. Convenient. You could easily pack this in your purse, or if you're traveling, just use it, in the morning and at night. Apply as needed. I've used it after the shower and put it on, and then at nighttime before I go to bed, so typically twice a day. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Again, that's Schmidt's Lavender and Sage Natural Deodorant. If you're looking for a more natural approach without any aluminum or artificial fragrance, definitely try it out. Have a good one.